Sometimes I know it feels like you ain't gonna make it, but you gotta keep pushing so you really can make it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm not in the best mood today, y'all. I'm not feeling very well today, but we are going to get a good video out today. So I'm just going to show y'all today how I do my little chicken salad. Anyway, so is that my alarm? No. Okay, so we're about to do some chicken salad from the can, y'all. We're doing some canned chicken salad that I got from the pantry. You know, your girl, I make it work, baby. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do my canned chicken salad. That's gonna be that on period. Let's get started. Oh, I'm also going to put them on some wraps. I got some spinach wraps, and yeah, I got some spinach wraps. They made with spinach. It's like, yeah, it's supposed to be good. So we're gonna eat this on some spinach wraps, and y'all, that's what we eating tonight. And I want to boil me some eggs. Do I want to? Yeah, we're gonna boil them. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I got my eggs boiling, and while these are boiling, I'm going to be making up my chicken salad. I just wanted to show y'all I got 7 eggs boiling. All right, let's get started on this chicken salad. Okay, y'all. So this is the chicken salad that I'm using. Well, not chicken salad, but this is the chicken. I'm using premium chunk white chicken and water, and it's made by Critter. So any type of chicken to do though. Any type of canned chicken to do. So yeah, we'll get this. I'm using 3 cans of these, and it's a pretty nice size can, if you can see. It's 12.5 ounces. So that's quite a bit. So we're about to get this started, y'all. And I'm gonna get this in a bowl, and I'll show y'all what I do next. All right, y'all. So this is all 3 cans of my chicken. I'm going to get ready to add some onion. I would normally add some celery, but I don't have any celery, so I'm going to add some celery salt. I need some celery so bad. I love putting celery in my chicken salad. It just make it better. I'm going to add just a sprinkle of celery seed. Just a sprinkle. And I got celery salt, which I'm going to only use a little bit. So I'm not going to use any regular salt, just celery salt, y'all. Give it a little seasoning, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to use a little Creole seasoning. It's just a little Creole seasoning, y'all. I'm going to use some white pepper. Don't need a lot, because all right, so that's all my seasonings. Hang on. I got some Kraft low-fat mayo, so we're gonna use some low-fat mayo in this. Let me get here. I'm just gonna get my spoon that I normally use. This is my big spoon, and I'm gonna grab a little of this out. Just a low-fat mayonnaise, y'all. So not too much, but nice amount. I got some yellow mustard that I'm almost out of. I'm gonna squirt a little yellow mustard. Not a lot, just give it a little kick. And of course, I gotta use the relish, sweet relish. I want to use a nice amount for sweetening. That should be enough. So I'm going to get this all mixed up in just a minute, y'all. I'm going to get my onion cut up, and I'm going to add it into this. 2 small onions. Just small onions. I'm going to cut these up real fine because I don't like big chunks in my chicken salad. So we're going to cut these up pretty fine. I'm gonna cut these up in little bitty pieces, y'all. Thin, fine little pieces. Just some little fine little pieces, like very little. Turn to the side. Little teeny weeny bite-sized pieces, y'all. I don't like big chunks of onion in my tuna and my chicken salad. So we going with the little small. Yeah, that's honey. Little bitty pieces. And we're just cutting them thin across. Oh, my eyes is running. Thin across and small the sideways. So we can get little bitty chunks. Little bitty chunks. Little bitty. Okay, go sideways. It don't have to be perfect, y'all. This is just how I like my onion and my chicken salad and my tuna. They don't have to be super duper small. Just like mine small. One more little chop. Okay, y'all. So that is it for the onion. All right, y'all. So we got all of our ingredients in, all of our seasonings. Y'all see that? Got all the seasonings in there. It's gonna be super good. And my onion is ready to go. So I'm about to add the onions in. I'm gonna mix it up, y'all. All right. I'm gonna show y'all how I have to chop it up now. I gotta chop that chicken because they in big chunks, so I'm gonna have to chop it up, like mash it up like that into little pieces instead of the big chunks. So I'm just gonna go through it, y'all, mashing up all the chicken, and I'll get that in a minute. Yeah, we're just gonna mash this all up, y'all. We're gonna get it all mixed in. And this chicken chopped up, so I can do it right. I'm gonna have to put this phone down. So I'll be right back. Mix this all in, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so that is my chicken salad. That is how it looks. I'm not done. I gotta add my eggs in. I'm letting them cool down. And as soon as they cool, I'm gonna add them to the mix, and I will show y'all what it looks like in the very end. Alrighty, be right back. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it. Y'all got my eggs. I'm about to mix them up in there. I added some dill on the top, and I added some parsley and just a little bit more of the Creole seasoning because it needed a little more seasoning. But yeah, we're about to mix this up, y'all, and I'm about to get it on some I'm just gonna mix these eggs up in here like this, y'all. And I'm about to get mine on one of these wraps. And I got me 2 eggs for the side that I'm going to put me some salt and pepper on. Yes, honey. And that's going to be my dinner for tonight. Our dinner for tonight. So, yeah. This is it, y'all. Let me mix it up right quick. All right, y'all. So, I got it all mixed up on my wrap. And I'm about to wrap it up. And I'll show y'all in just a second. Hold on. All right, y'all. There's my chicken salad. Let me get y'all an up-close shot. You know what I'm saying? There is my eggs. I got 2 eggs. I put a little Creole seasoning and black pepper on there. That is my wrap. Yes, it's gonna be so good. And there's my crackers. That is my dinner for tonight, y'all. I love y'all. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Make some chicken salad. Bye.